disclaimer in the beginning, name of follows must pattern must full. So in this video we are going to create to-do list using HTML CSS and JavaScript. So let's start our video by coming here and creating here a new folder, because to create any new project we need here a new folder. So the new folder will be named by name it to-do list and open it with my VS Code. After writing this, I am going to open it. Index.html and I will explain you how it's work. Index.html will be done with what happened. Okay, now what I will do, I will write a doc and come here in the document with the name of to-do list. And now after writing to-do list, I will come here and write here an input with Ctrl Z. I write here an input and write here what I will write here. I will write here what ID display and write here the script. Now what I will do, I will write what I will create an function. I will create an method. How that will be worked, you can see document.add event listener. Event listener equal to key press. Key press, we will write here key press. Wait, what I will do, I will do it again. Document now what I will do, I will wait. Now I will come here document event listener key press comma bracket event and then curly braces. Wait, we need equal to ending and in it we can append e dot key, sorry, event dot key e dot key equal to, we can write alert one. Now I can go live from here and I will wait, and if I write a enter, so it's one. For the to-do list I will create a function that will be append. So now we can write, and for it I will write a function append. After I after writing it, I will come here and save it. You can see if I click here anything, I will first of all do it close. And now first of all we need many element. Let element first of all document here black. What I will save it a what I will highlight it and save for btn and do it like this btn. What I will btn dot inner html inner html is going to be wet or open this inner html equal to I write btn dot inner html equal to cancel save it. So if I write ASD and then enter, so we need a hand button, so we will write button and then save it. After writing ASD there will be an button cancel, so we have to do it not like this. Write a button like this, ASD, enter, there is a button, so button need an on click. For that I will write btn dot on click equal to after writing p I write p and function p, open it like this. Now what we can do, I will write here for that p. So what will be happen, array.style dot text decoration equal to line th jc thought. Let's see that will be work or not. asd enter cancel. Wait, we have to write here style a. I will write line text decoration line thought. I will copy this. Now what we can do, I will show you how it look like. But I will come here and I will come here and get btn 1. Done. So if I write here ASD, if I write shawarma, so there will be 2 buttons. So now what we can do, I will come up. So we need btn 1 dot on click equal to o like this, and if I write function o, so the function o, what will be happen? So in function o, the alley dot inner HTML equal to like for the done display dot value plus there will be window dot. Wait, here what I will do, I will write window dot. Wait, I will come here, window dot tick, and what I will do, I will save it and I will come here and write ASD. If that's cancel, if it done. Okay, now I will show you how it looks like. So if I touch it, so that was my video. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with many content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.